Entrepreneurship is a key pillar of Plaksha University's vision. A lot of our founders are established business leaders in India and around the world, and there was a lot of student interest around entrepreneurship. There was a demand to be able to formally study entrepreneurship, so that's why we have launched this new minor in Technology Entrepreneurship at Plaksha University.
It's just not about entrepreneurship for the sake of doing something on your own. It's the spirit of entrepreneurship. So I think what I like most about this course is the fact that actually it encourages students to think out of the box. Think about their careers differently, think about the business differently. And I think the sooner you teach these concepts, the better it is, because then you're a lot more open to learning more of the same, which is exactly what we want.
That you must understand the tools, you must understand the language, and then you must practice those tools and languages. Entrepreneurship gets better the more you do it. So you become a better entrepreneur the more you work at it.
I think it's incredible that when students are picking up functional skills, the fact that early on they start to think of what will they build is a new phenomenon. Program like this can build an early orientation into thinking like that, and hopefully we end up building students who are looking to build.
The role of tech in this country's rise, when you look at the exports from the IT tech sector and now the whole startup ecosystem, it's extremely important to graduate students who are well versed in the management of technology businesses. Now, whether these students graduate into doing senior level roles or they start their own technology ventures, I think in both the areas, focusing at the intersection of technology and entrepreneurship is very crucial.
A lot of entrepreneurship is not just about startups. It's about taking on your initiative. It's about team building. It's about communication. So these soft skills, I think, are much needed at that level when these business leaders of tomorrow go out there and graduate from Plaksha University.
I hope that this program can help students cast very aggressively in their own minds, built on deep consumer understanding that there's a problem to be solved, and be passionate about it, because the entrepreneurial journey will be difficult. It is the passion about the unsolved problem and the opportunity. And that opportunity, of course, is a financial opportunity for the founder. It's a social opportunity for the consumer, where you actually make an impact. And it's a great capital efficient opportunity for the ecosystem.
A student actually goes through the motions of entrepreneurship, from ideation to talking to customers to getting brutal and constructive feedback from those with years of experience. I truly believe that this minor strengthens the entrepreneurship pillar at Plaksha by leaps and bounds.
The minor really pushes us to be like the best version of ourselves, because we are solving problems every day, and these challenges not only keeps us like really active and really solution oriented, but this has changed our mindsets altogether.